Hi, this is Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Captain America from Marvel Rivals. So let's get in there. Right at the top, we're going to draw his sort of torso, upper body and head. So probably going to go in about there. About there. And let's draw a nice sort of curve. Maybe let's go from sort of this point here. Just do the outer part of his head. So I'm just going to go from that point there. Just draw along here. Draw with my pen. Nice curve at the top of his head. Like that, okay? Now I've got that in, I'm just going to do the A, sort of that classic A of Captain America's mask. So the top of his head, so I'm going to do a little bar, like along here. Then what I'm going to do is sort of bring my pen down, sort of this way, and bring my pen down this way, and then we're just going to draw like a blocky A, sort of around here. Bring it down there, come up there, and we've got like a little triangle in there. And then from that point, we can kind of work out the rest of the good old Cap's head. So in here, I reckon we've got an eye, sort of about, say, this point here. We're going to do a little oval upwards like that. And probably over here, we're going to do a little oval upwards like that. That's like this main sort of upper part of the eye. Just going to draw like a little dot in there on either side. And then underneath, just going to draw in another little oval. So we've got those little eye sort of marks. We've got the A, we've got the top of the head. So what I can do now is sort of just work around that. So I've just got the mask coming sort of between the A and the top of the eye. So I'm probably going to come out from about this point here. Yeah, and I'm just going to draw up with my pen, sort of like that. And then this side probably going to come in about this point here. Then we're just going to draw upwards that way. Sort of just frame his eye. So just bring your pen down, sort of diagonal lines around, so we'll just curve those around. So he's kind of got his mask around that. Same here, sort of comes around like that way. So sort of frame those eyes now. A little bridge for the nose sort of there. We can kind of come underneath either side of that like this. And now I've got those bits on, I can kind of bring it back up, sort of the cheekbones and the head area here. And then this side, he's got those sort of classic sort of wing elements on his ears. So probably sort of from about, sort of say, sort of that point, kind of come up a little bit there, maybe just a line up, and a nice sort of diagonal line out like that. A few little lines like this, and bring it down where the ear is there, and inwards here. A nice little sort of circle around there. And then now I've got that, I can just sort of frame the top parts of his mask. So just diagonal lines sort of coming in, inwards like that. And then underneath the A, outwards like that. Just a hint up the top here, sort of coming upwards sort of this way, like that. Just a hint of the sort of ear part there. Just sort of zoom it up a little bit there. There we go, we've got that sort of top area of Captain America's head there, right? Okay, let's go downwards, let's go down to the chin. I think the chin's gonna come up down to about here. So from that sort of ear point, that sort of little circular oval we made, let's just bring the pen down there. Then come downwards, sort of another little diagonal line there. And then we can just draw the chin in here, so it's sort of nice sort of curved horizontal line. Let's just frame the face. So we've got a nice sort of from here, you can kind of come upwards like that. And then back up here for the face. Okay, so I've kind of framed that face now. Now we've done that, let's go in there, draw the outer body. So he's got his neck coming down here, just a nice little line about that point. It's like a little collar area going on around. So I'm just gonna move my pen up and around, sort of down there. Probably comes underneath that chin area there, up and around, and sort of hits sort of that point there. And just bring it out, so we've just got a nice sort of collared area going on. There's like upper sort of shoulder pads, sort of the upper shoulder area, and then there's larger shoulder pads around that. So what I need to do is just sort of factor those in. So maybe we'll come out this way, sort of get my pen about this point, just bring my pen around like that, and then maybe just slightly down around there. Let's just bring those in, so a nice sort of straight line here, and bring it down, sort of quite angled lines, I think up to about here, and just sort of join it up. So we've got that nice sort of block area there. Do the same on this side, so we're kind of going to go and from sort of that point, just sort of curve it down there, and then I think we just need to sort of draw a line there, and then draw another line sort of up to that point we just made there, okay? Right, now I've got the shoulder pads to do. So I'm gonna come outwards this way. So let's go back over to sort of this point, and we can just bring the pen out, sort of a bit of a curved line there to that point, and then we can bring it in sort of there. Then let's complete sort of that shoulder pad. So it sort of comes inwards, sort of up like that. And there's probably like a little line that goes up here. Another line, sort of a few angles going on here, and then we'll just join it up to the edge there. Now on this side, we don't see as much, but let's draw it in. So it kind of comes outwards from that upper shoulder part and then nicely downwards and in at the moment there. And now I've got that, what I might do is just sort of draw that outer sort of chest point here. So we're gonna go, let's have a think, let's go have a little think here. We're probably gonna go from sort of this point here, just come outwards like this, sort of upper chest area. Let's continue that outline while we're there, right? So I think we just need to bring it in here, sort of just curve it in slightly there. And then the torso sort of continues down this way. So I'm just gonna go back up a little bit, sort of curve it in and then down where the torso would be here. I think the belt's gonna be about that point there. Let's just draw in this point here. So we've got like the outer arms on here. So I'm just gonna like sort this outer area out. So a nice little curve to there. And then this point is like his big old glove. So I think there's sort of like a diagonal that comes in sort of here, sort of curves around this point. And it sort of comes up to where my finger is there. Just draw a nice little curved circle in, join it up, and then maybe like a little point in there. Just join those bits up there. Now let's finish off this gloved hand at the moment. So that I've drawn to there. Just going to bring it in the upper sort of forearm to the wrist there. At the bottom here, that sort of tapers in a bit. A little bit of a bit comes out here into the sort of the wrist point here. And what I'll do there is just draw a nice little curve going on around there. So that's like the upper arm area. In here, sort of like a little power bit, I'm just going to draw some little sort of circular elements, a little sort of curve there, sort of curve either side, and come up to this point. We're just going to draw around here, and it's sort of capped off by a little sort of piece in there, so a little like rectangle, and just join those bits up. Let's get the hand in now. So I'm going to, I guess, come outwards this way. So come out where sort of the outer part of the thumb is. Then I've got the main part of the thumb sort of coming in, so bring it inwards like that. Then I've got the fingers. So I've got one, I guess, coming from about here. So the main finger up here, around, down. Next finger, curve, down. Next one, sort of curve it and down there. And then little finger, little curve there, down to about that point. Just gonna pop some little circles in for the knuckles. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can just draw a little curve going along there. So that's like pretty much the arm there. Now I've got that in, what I can do is just pop in a little bit of the torso here. So just where this sort of point is here, just bring it in where the torso is here, and this point here is where the belt is. So let's go draw that main sort of belt part. I think there's like a curved rectangular point from that part of the torso. Bring your pen around up, just leave a little gap, come around and along like that. Little outer part of the belt here, so I'm just going to just draw a little rectangle there. There's a little linking point that goes on around here, sort of links the belt together. A couple of little tapered lines like that, and then just bring your pen around to the outer part, little curve, and then the lower part of the belt there. Okay, so we've got that belt in, nice, sort of frames him there. Let's just get a couple of lines in for the legs. So just move it in a little bit, sort of to about here where the belt is, and we can just bring our pen, nice curve down, sort of just taper it out, a couple of little dots. Outer part of the leg here, probably going to be about there. And I'm just going to draw that in, nice curve down, a couple of dots again, sort of taper it off. Inner part of the leg, just going to sort of start up about there, and we're just going to bring our pen down and around, and then just draw the inner part of the leg there. And then there's a little sort of right hand side part there, just a line down to sort of frame those legs. Just another little bit to do here, just pop in the sort of gripping hand. So we're going to go sort of midpoint here, and I'm going to just draw a nice little diagonal line and step down, and a nice diagonal line again. And then here we're going to sort of frame the whole of this sort of hand area. So come up to about this point. Bring your pen down sort of diagonal. Then we're going to come around, nice little curve all around like this. I've got a little thumb area up here, so I'm just going to draw a fairly straight line there, curve around and back up, and there's your thumb. Okay, let's finish those fingers off. So probably going to go about that point there, just going to draw a nice little curve for a finger there. So we've already got one there, and then one, just sort of like a nice little oblong down, and then go up to here, oblong down like that. Then we've got the main sort of part of the figure created. Okay, let's add a bit of detail, make it a little bit more like Captain America. Let's go back up to the top here. Let's sort of fix the mask area. I think this sort of comes in a bit sort of diagonally out and then down like that. Pop a little chin in, it sort of pops up diagonally either side that with this sort of the chin part of the mask. Cap it off, and then we're just going to sort of just draw along the line there so we know what the outer part of his mask. Little nose here, so just sort of about there, just bring a little nose in, little sort of arrowhead point, and then we're just going to draw sort of the lips. So just sort of curve your pen around, sort of fairly serious. Little line underneath for the lip, and then while we're there, just a couple of little sort of fainter lines just around here, around Captain America's top of his mask. Sort of gives a bit of detail. Let's go to the shoulder area here. I think this sort of continues around like that. A couple of little sort of markings in there. And then sort of around here, we've sort of got the bicep area. So I suppose we've got like a little part that comes out there, sort of comes in. Maybe we just pipe that like that. Maybe a couple of lines, sort of a nice bit of detail, curve it around there, detailing area. The main part of the chest with the star on it, let's get that star sorted out. So put a little dot there, then bring your pen down either side of that, 1, 2. We're going to come out now where the star goes, so 1, 2, and then out here, so sort of like 1, 2. And then we're going to come out sort of to these points around here. So where we come sort of down here, 1 and up there, and then down to that point and up. So we've got that star in now. Let's just do the rest of this chest area here. So this sort of comes up here, down to the star area. And then this point sort of comes right up to the chin area. I think it probably comes down to just below that little point there. So just bring your pen, nice curve around, down like that. And then just bring it in there. Right, a couple of little sort of lines come out from the star here. So got kind of one that comes out here, one that comes out there. It's a little line in the middle of the chest, so just got to sort of give a hint of that there. Then we've got those sort of mechanisms for the sort of the ab area. So we sort of come in, either side sort of done. Then it kind of pops up either side there. Draw a line along it. It sort of tapers in either side of that, so 1, 2, like that. And then another little line, sort of bring it out either side of that. And then we'll just bring it into the center there. We'll kind of just pipe along that, and then just a couple of lines either side of that I think is enough. Maybe a little bit in here, just sort of bring your pen in, little V, so it just sort of adds to the texture. As we come into this part of the hand, sort of a couple of little curves where the wrist area would be, like that. There's a couple of 1, 2, 3, 4 sort of elements on the hand, and I think this is sort of like armor, so I'm just going to come around here and up there, a nice little bit of detail, maybe in there too. As we go to the belt, I think we've got a nice little circle in there, and then it kind of shoots off to the edges, so like that. We're just going to pipe this belt area like so, like one there, one there. Then a couple of little lines on the legs, so maybe just a nice little bit detail. It comes down here, maybe another little line in like that. And then I think maybe just a little bit more going on, a couple of little lines in there. Let's maybe just add a few little sort of hatches just around, sort of in there. Maybe it's a bit dark around this point in here, maybe a couple some little sort of lines there. Just a couple of little lines in there, just to add just a little bit of detail to your character. So it's quite nice to sort of pop those little bits in. Maybe there's a few little sort of hatching bits in there. Maybe there's just a few in like that as well. Maybe I'll just go around sort of that collar area too. Maybe just a few little sort of battle scarred marks sort of coming around sort of the edge of this. So all adds to the sort of look and feel of our character. Maybe I'll just cap this off around here. Just a couple of little sort of lines in there. Sort of just dual lines going on. Just adds a lot, I feel, to the character. Maybe just a little bit there, a couple of little lines in here. And there we go. I think that's pretty good. Just a couple there. Maybe a couple in there. I think that's pretty cool. There we go. There is Captain America from Marvel Rivals. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how you get on and who I should draw next. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now. We'll see you soon.